What's up, y'all? This is Value Detail, and this video we're gonna show you different tools we use to deep clean leather interiors. Okay, take a look at this armrest. You got a lot of discoloration. It's not black how it's supposed to be, so we're gonna put some degreaser on it and just go to work with the Scrub Ninja. I did a light scrub. I didn't put a lot of pressure on the leather when I was scrubbing it with the Scrub Ninja, and I should have put a little more pressure than I was putting on it because I did not like the results that I got in the end. I definitely had to go over it again. There was still a little bit of residue still left in the leather, so I decided to go over it again with a little bit more degreaser, and this time with a brush. And I know a lot of people, they go against the brush. They say don't use the brush on leather, but I think that's stupid talk. How are you gonna get inside all those little creases of the leather? Leather has creases in it, you know, from naturally from sitting down on it and stuff like that, get creased. It has a natural, like, you know, textured like surface. So using the brush is more effective if you know how to use the brush without damaging the leather. As you can see, like, I'm getting really good results with the leather. There's no scratching. I didn't take the hide down. You just got to know how to use the brush. Scrub Ninja, it works good too. I didn't really get any bad results. You just got to use a little more pressure when you're using it. The Scrub Ninja is going to make you more tired, in my opinion. The brush, it's going to get it done faster, I feel. So yeah, the Scrub Ninja works good. You just got to put a little more pressure on the leather surface when you're using the Scrub Ninja, just so you can get better results. You can't have like a light hand with the Scrub Ninja. You just got to use a little more pressure when you're scrubbing the area. So we're just gonna do this part over because I didn't put enough pressure before, so we're gonna just go over it again with the Scrub Ninja and then go ahead and go to work. And look at that, look at all that dirt. Go ahead and get the rest of this off here, wipe it down, and look at that, look at the results. So now we're gonna work on a portion of the seat. We're gonna do just this small area right here, get it nicely saturated with APC and hit it with the Scrub Ninja, wipe it down, see the results. Cleaned it up really good. All right, so now we're gonna use the nylon brush on the leather seat, and you can see it immediately removes whatever's stuck to the seat. The nylon brush, in my opinion, works better than the Scrub Ninja. With the nylon brush, you're gonna be able to get into the textured surface a lot better. When I used the Scrub Ninja, I wasn't able to get into the textured surface that great. And also when you're cleaning the perforated seats, I feel like the brush is gonna work a little bit better with the perforated seats. Or we might bring out the forbidden, the drill brush. It's the soft white drill brush. It's really effective. You can use it on leather seats. A lot of people are scared to use it on leather seats, but that's them. I don't care how you feel on that, and I know what I'm doing, so I do not damage the leather seats. It's a different way to clean the leather seats. You know, you don't always have to use the traditional methods or the safest way. If you know what you're doing, you're not gonna damage the seats. All right, so that's the video, y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Like the video, subscribe. Until next time, Value Detail's gonna holler at you.